Hey guys, it's Brandon Miniman from Pocketnow.com. So here's the HTC HD2, typically a Windows mobile device, but in this case it's running Android with HTC Sense right from the HTC Desire. We'll show you how and walk through it right now. So in a previous video, and I'll put that up, we showed a Nexus 1 ROM running on the HTC HD2 actually quite smoothly, and this takes it to another level. The Desire ROM is smoother, it looks better, and a lot more functionality is here than we had in the previous ROM. So let's walk through this. Let's start off. The internet does work over Wi-Fi right now. Cellular data is something that does not work in this particular ROM. The internet experience is actually pretty good considering that it's running an operating system not intended for the device. So we can flick to scroll down, we can use multi-touch to zoom in, and by the way, if you have an HD2 and you want to try this, there's no ill effects. When you want to get back to Windows Mobile to see all of your contacts and everything, you just reset the device, take out the battery, put it back in, and turn it on. It's just running off of the storage card right now. It's not actually running Android sort of as its primary operating system. So let's go back to the home screen. So we have the HTC Sense Widgets. We can do the pinch to zoom leap feature, which lets you zoom out. You saw this on the HTC Desire, the HTC Legend. We've got the live wallpaper in the background with the grass moving. What they've done is they've mapped this start key to the standard Android menu system. So we can change the wallpaper, for example. Let's say we want to change to Galaxy, which is kind of the spinning background. All right, and we can swipe to the left. We've got a widget here for bookmarks. Swipe to the left. This is for SMS. Let's jump back to the other widget, or the other home screen here, and we've got one for news. We can tap to select subscription. A lot of stuff works very well here. Not 100% of the things, but most things are very, very functional. So here is the HTC Music widget. You can swipe back to the center. The camera is even working on this, which is one of the hardest things to get working. So if I put my hand out, you can see that it is indeed working, and I should be able to take a picture here. So, and here's one of the problems. It says press the optical trackball to take the picture. It's possible that one of these buttons over here will take the picture, but I don't want to get out of Android. So let's assume that the camera doesn't work because it doesn't have the optical trackball that the Desire does have. So we can go into the programs, we can move around. As I said, a lot of things do work. What doesn't work, the major disadvantage is that the phone doesn't work, which of course is kind of key. So if you make a call, it will dial out, but you won't be able to hear the person on the other end. This was the problem with the previous version of Android on the HD2 that we saw. The speaker does not work, but the internet works. As far as I can tell, the GPS works, all of the widgets work. You get full HTC Sense here, which is just pretty awesome to see on a device that was never intended to run Android. So I'll put a link up on Pocketnow.com on how to get this running on your HTC HD2. Again, if you have an HD2, this is something really fun to just try out, even if you don't intend to use it very much. It's really cool to see your HD2 running Android. Please thumbs up the video if you liked it, and thanks for watching. That's it for now.